Hello children, myself Arjeet ma'am. How are you all? Today we are going to learn about my family. Family is the first school where a child learns and grows. Now I am going to tell you a few things about the word family. Some families are small and some are big. We all live at home with our daddy, mummy. We sometimes even live with our grandparents as well. Some of us may even have a sister and a brother. They are our family, and family is very important in our life. So let's see each one of them in details. He is Johnny. She is Johnny's mother. Here is Johnny's father. Meet his Johnny's sister, Reena. Father, mother, one or two children make a small family. See, this is a photograph of big family. She is Johnny's grandmother. He is Johnny's grandfather. This is Johnny's pet. They all are living together. When you live with your grandparents and cousin, it is called a big family. In a big family, everyone love each other, help each other, have fun together. In a small family where only parents and children live together is a small family. Joint family, a big family where parents, grandparents, children, uncle and aunt live together is known as a big family. See, now you know the difference between a small family and a big family. Now it's time for a nursery rhyme on family by Infobells.
Infobells!
Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do.
Okay, so one last time we'll revise the family through a video made by Pinita TV.
This is my family. Grandma, grandma, grandpa, grandpa, mommy, mommy, daddy, daddy, sister, sister, brother, brother, baby, baby. This is my family.
I love my family and I'm sure you also love your family. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.